There are a few insights about the DOLLB entrance examination and how to prepare for the entrance examination. A few highlights of the highlights of the exam. The organizing authority is the Faculty of Law, Delhi University. The exam date is around 9 September 2020. The application fees is 750 and 300 rupees. The requirements are 50% marks in 12th for general and 45% and 40% marks for OBC and SC/ST respectively. The dates of the important dates of the examination: the forms would be rolled out on 20th June. The ending date is 31st August. The exam date is 9 September. The results will be announced in September, and the first list of admission will also be issued in September. uh, the eligibility criteria: candidate must be postgraduate or graduate from any university. No candidate on the rolls of LLB or ex-student of any university shall be allowed to take the examination, and they must have at least 50 students must have at least 50% of marks or an equivalent grade point in their qualifying examination. The procedure for filling up the application form: the students first need to visit the official page of DOLLB, choose new registration, provide details, and click on the submit button. Then they would be given a user ID and password on the registered email ID. Then they have to log in with the help of their user ID and password, and they would be then redirected to a new page where they are required to fill the other details like basic details, educational details, communication details, etc., and then upload a passport size photograph and a scanned image of the candidate signature. The enrollment fee payment: they have to log into the admission portal using email ID and password, make payment alternative, and make payment using the online modes like debit card, credit card, and net banking. The fees is 750 rupees for general and unreserved and OBC classes, and 300 rupees for EWS and SC/ST classes. The admit card: for downloading the admit card, the students have to visit the official website, look for the link DOLLB admit card, log in using their ID and password, and take out the printout. Here is the list of the exam centers in various cities across India. The exam pattern: the exam would be mostly online. There would be one sitting paper and it would consist of 100 questions, which are MCQ in nature. The total marks would be 400. The syllabus mostly consists of 5 sections. This time around there were many questions that were asked from the legal and polity sections. There were certain questions also asked from the United Nations part. uh, as compared to the last year, the paper was much easier this time around. Mathematics was out of focus this time. Few questions were also asked from legal reasoning, and there were many questions that were asked from general knowledge and legal awareness and aptitude. So here's the procedure to get the result. The answer key tentative would be released on July 9th, and the counseling procedure will begin around August 2020, which would be done on the basis of the ranks secured in the examination.